Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you get OnePay Cash Plus. So you can unlock OnePay Cash Plus once you meet one of these requirements. First, you have to receive $500 plus in the direct deposits in the calendar month. So a direct deposit can be your paycheck or recurring payments from an employer, gig work payouts, retirement government payouts, payments or social security and etc. So it is important that transfers from apps like Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, or simple app to app transfers do not count as direct deposits. They must be a true ACH payroll or the government deposits. So once you hit this $500 direct deposit threshold in a month, you will unlock OnePay Cash Plus for the rest of the month and the next. So option 2 is to maintain a $5,000 plus account balance at the month end. So if your total OnePay cash balance, this is not the savings, is $5,000 or more at the end of a calendar month, OnePay will automatically upgrade your account to Cash Plus starting the first day of the next month. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!